Why do athletes jump backward over the bar? Actually, this technique is based on a physics concept called center of mass. A center of mass is a point not necessarily inside the body where the whole mass of the object is concentrated. We humans have a center of mass. When stand up, the center of mass is around the belly. It moves all the time according to how our body is positioned, even it can be outside our bodies. The jumper runs very fast so he can divert his horizontal velocity to vertical velocity and jump. When he jumps backward above the bar, his center of mass becomes below his body. If he was not jumping backward, he has to apply more force to lift not only his body, but also his center of mass.